Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at the data in the database that we have in pgadmin. We're going to be looking at the data and basically what it is and why we're doing this program, or why we're doing this project. So here we go. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the data in the tables. So we're going to be continuing with the gymnasium project. And today we're going to be going through the data that's there in the tables. So here I have gymnasium, the database, and then we have two tables here, gymnasium and school. So what we'll start with doing is basically select everything from both. So select everything from gymnasium, and when I run it, then here we have all of these, and I'll explain what they are in a second. And then here we have select everything from school. So here we just have, this is all English, so it's ID, name of the school, latitude and longitude. So we can start with this one. So this one is basically to get so all of this latitude and longitude, this is coming from the latitude and longitude from my address, where I am right now. So that's where all of this, so this is 59, and this for the school, that's coming from my current address. So it has this much latitude and this much longitude. And this is basically for the location. So when we run the program, then the user should be able to see how far they are from that specific school that they're looking at, which is why we have the latitude and longitude. And then if we look at gymnasium, then in this table we have all the data about the school itself. So this is the ID. We can just ignore that. Then here we have the year. So we have data from 2020. If we go down, then we have, this is just many rows we have. So we have data from 2020, and yeah, so it's just showing the first 1,000 over here. But we have, then there's 17 pages, as you can see. So if I go to page 9, for example. So then you can see we have data from 2022 over here. So we have data from 2020 up to 2025. And what we have here, so I'll go back to page 1. So here we have ID, which we can ignore. Then we have the year for the data. Then it's preliminary. So there's two things here. We have preliminary and final. So first is showing data for preliminary, which is basically before they get the final results of the number of seats, the number of free seats, the median, and so on. And this basically means how much merit or how many points you need to get in minimum into the school. So this is for its preliminary, so this is not final. So these schools, for example, here you need 0, anybody can get in. And here, for example, minimum you need is 247.5, and the maximum is 340 for most of them. Then there's special programs where you can give extra tests, and those can go up to 1,000, but we'll ignore those for now. So then we have commune, which is basically that specific area kind of. So this school, that's in this commune called Bochica, and then there's the name of the school. We can ignore organization form. Then we have this one's the VAC code. So that's the code for which program it is, and this is the program it represents. So BAHUS basically represents this, which is building and such kind of program. So then here we have science, for example, science with society. This is just plain science and so on. And then we have the median. So of all of those who applied, the median of that. So it's normal median basically of those scores. And there's a number of places in that school, the number who have been accepted already, and then reserved places. So people who could get in later. And then this is number of free seats. So that's basically all of these columns. And then we have data for all of these schools in this one. So we have all the schools right now in all of these, so it's just like a lot of different like areas, and then all of these schools. And the reason why so many schools are repeated is because there's like different programs. So this same school has restaurant like and life like life substance program, and then in the same one we have like science, and then we have like science in the same one, or like, and so on. So they all just have many different programs, which is why there's so many of the same school.